Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pharma Talks with Animesh. And today I'm going to start with something different. That is about motivation. Motivation, I guess, each and every student should get it. It should be within you. It's not like an external force will come and guide you till to a little extent. But I don't think until you want it, until you want to do it, only then you can do it. I guess being in pharmacy, students are a little bit confused in their earlier stages. Uh, the stage one is when they enter the university and they are bit of bamboozled in the situation as if they don't know what to do. They're getting their lectures done, they're getting their proper guidance, but they don't have that goal, they don't have that aim. They know they want to achieve something good, but they don't know the path. I mean, they can even afterwards achieve that path, but they actually don't know what to an extent they want to do something to change the whole perception of pharmacy. See, people in this society have a very different mindset for pharmacy. Maybe they have a mindset that the pharmacy people are towards shops, they only sell drugs, kind of ideology. Many people have, oh, they're gonna turn into a DI, drug inspector. It's a very reputed field. uh, Once you achieve that, you will feel so proud of it. So people have very different ideology, and I think being in pharmacy, even what I have experienced and what does the students do in this kind of the whole situation while they're actually graduating. So see, once you enter the university, these 4 years, these 8 semesters, you have to do something in your life. See, if you do like something that you don't have any goal, you don't have any aim, you don't have any future, then if you're not setting a goal, if you're not setting a aim, an objective, and what kind of a person you want to become, it's all about that. Once you enter the university, you have to make a goal. That's the first step. Make a goal. Make a goal what you have to become. Maybe a drug inspector, maybe in R&D you want to go, maybe while graduating, after graduating you want to do jobs related to industry, related to any field, which I will tell what are the purposes, what are the objectives, and what career opportunities I will tell you later. So basically, while are you in this current situation of in first sem or in the fourth sem, any sem, see, every student don't have the same kind of mindset, don't have the same kind of knowledge, don't have the same kind of brain to pursue the knowledge. Okay, so what we have to do in this whole situation, see, you don't have to do a lot. You just need to do your lectures done. You need to do what kind of lectures we are doing and what actually it's making an impact on your life, impact on the life of the people, of the life of the society. This should be a perception towards your studies. I know people who are genius, they know how to achieve success. They know how can they achieve success, they know the process. But being an average student, each and every student who is actually very average, uh, don't seem like a very genius. He can be hardworking. Yes, through hard work, through smart work, you can achieve success. See, nobody in this life see the process that you are doing. They actually see the result. That's only matter for them. For example, your 10th standard, your 12th standard, marks are referred. They have actually seen, oh okay, this student has achieved 10th, oh this much pointer, 12th this much percentage. They're not actually going through the process. That is important. The process is very important to reach that success, but nobody will see the process. The process is seen by you. You will see the process because you are going through that process, and you will experience it in your life, how to achieve to that level. So what I'm here to say is that, see, you might not be genius, you might be hardworking, and I've already said in many times that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. If you are hardworking, you can achieve success. Yes, definitely you can achieve success. While in these semesters, the objective is to how to study pharmacy at a greater level. Don't study pharmacy just for the sake that you are studying. It will make no sense, because you're gonna be a pharmacist, you're gonna be work on the R&D department, you may be pursuing every height of the pharmacy. So you should know the integral part. I mean, you should be an integral part of that institution or that whole pharmacy world. This is not like sake for just studying. You can't do that. You're actually lifeline of the community. You should think like that. So hardworking you can achieve easily if you're doing hard work. You see, in the whole day, the parameter that you can set is that, I'm not saying to do a 8-hour study or do a 10, 12 or a 18-hour study. I'm just saying what you go through in your university, what you go through in your college, just read by that. Have questions. I mean, generating questions within yourself is a very integral part of your life, and it is very important and very significant. If you are asking questions, the importance of questions regarding pharmacy, regarding within you, asking it, getting a clue about it, it's a very good thing. If you are not generating that questions enough, if you're not having doubts, it might be very vague for you. So please generate the importance of questions in your life while you're studying. And if you cannot clear with your teachers, clear with internet, clear with something that give you answer. But please don't leave it just like that. Just clear it. And I know, just study about 4 hours, 5 hours, but please be compassionate. With passion, you have to achieve it. And yes, I know that people are like, within 1 month they are like, oh okay, I can do it, I can actually crack the competitive exams. No, it's not like that. You have to go through each semester, you have to go through each subject. Just you have to read. Your mindset should be like reading each and everything. If you're going out, just have a click for two minutes, and what you have studied, what kind of subject that you're interested in. These are whole 4 years. It's very important for you to even think. See, if you have kind of mindset that in these 4 years you actually going through each and every situation in your life, and it's a fresher's life. So please, you can make your life very good after these 4 years. Otherwise, what you want? To achieve success at a 30-40 age, or to be competitive at these 20-25 age and get into a job that is so much kind of a thing for you that you can actually survive. When you are at 30-40 age, you are at a very higher stage. So my concept is, you have to use these 4 years. If you use this 4 years, you can get success. See, success, achieving success It's a very long lasting story, but the process is slow. There are no shortcuts for success. Might be in the competitive exams, might be any university exams, college exams, they're different. Enjoy your college years because they're not coming up. Enjoy that, but enjoy at a level, because you have to study also. So it makes sense. Study, enjoy, and do hard work. That's all. This should be the process. And what you are learning and what you are studying, it should be very precise. Don't study just for the sake of studying pharmacy. It's harmful. So please be serious about your education. And I just want to say, see, don't have a mindset of studying a lot of hours. Have a mindset of being compassionate about studying. If you like that subject, you will study. Maybe it could be like 8 hours, maybe it could like 4 hours. It depends on you while you're studying it. So that's it. That's the whole process of how to achieve success in your life, how to get motivated in your life while you're studying it. So that's it. I just want to say, please analyze the situation, execute your plans, and please always learn that you have to be in the process, not in the result kind of section first. You need to go through the process and achieve success, and no shortcuts for success. That's all for pharma students. I just want to say that we can achieve, we can crack examinations, we can do it easily, and you're the future. You're the young stepping stones of this community. So that's all. All the best, guys. And I guess you can do a lot. That's all. If you like this video, please do subscribe the video. It means a lot if you do subscribe the channel. And the channel name is Pharma Talks with Animesh. Like, share, comment. That's all. In the comment section, you can actually write your stories. You can actually write the topics that you want to study in the pharma lectures. That's all I want to say. That's it. Thank you.